Start. What means volunteering for and why is it important?
In my opinion, volunteering is create a value for people who needs help, and I'm here because I want to create for them. That's all.
How did you find this project?
Actually, it was random because I was looking for European Solidarity Corps project on Facebook, and I saw a volunteering announcement of Impress, and I was interested in this project, and I said to myself I should apply this project, and I'm here.
What do you want to do for the society?
I want to make their life easier, and I want to do these things by writing projects and creating a workshop, something like that. Thank you.
Thank you so much.